And staying with the kind of bickering that's going on between the TMC and the BJP, well, after Prime Minister Modi's big Matwa outreach in Bangladesh, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has accused the Prime Minister of violating the Model Code of Conduct. While addressing a rally in Kharagpur, Mamata Banerjee slammed the visit of the Prime Minister to Bangladesh and asked, how can the Prime Minister talk about Bengal elections while voting is underway? While seeking Election Commission's intervention, the Chief Minister said that laws should be equal for all. She's also gone on to say that she's going to complain to the Election Commission about the visit to Bangladesh of the Prime Minister and will urge the Commission to cancel his visa now. The scathing attack comes as Prime Minister Modi drew parallels between Matwas of Thakurnagar in Bengal and Thakurbari in Bangladesh.
देखो इधर में इलेक्शन चल रहा है और बांग्लादेश में जाके बंगाल का बारे में भाषण देता है. इट इज टोटली वायलेशन ऑफ द कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट ऑफ द इलेक्शन. मेरे को पता है लॉ कैन नॉट बी डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड. इट इज इक्वल फॉर ऑल, जस्टिस फॉर ऑल.
Prema Rajaram is getting us more details on that story. Prema, how is the TMC going to take this forward, given the fact that even before the visit, when the Prime Minister has in fact just reached Bangladesh, the TMC had already spoken about this, that this is well timed with the first phase of polling, and this is rather smart on the part of the Prime Minister there.
It is a scathing attack on the Prime Minister and on the BJP, with Mamata Banerjee clearly coming out and saying, without mincing any words, that the Prime Minister was looking at it as a poll campaign and going across the borders and talking about West Bengal. And this happens when Bengal has just finished its first phase of elections and there are 7 more phases left. The Prime Minister went to a Matua temple in Bangladesh, and that is where Mamata Banerjee said that where was the need to do that, especially at a time when Bengal is going to elections. And reaching out to the Matua community, Mamata Banerjee looking at it as an election tactic, and has asked the Election Commission to take note of this. And she draws parallels to 2019, ahead of the Lok Sabha polls, when a Bangladeshi actor, Firdaus Ahmed, had come from across the border to campaign for a Trinamool Congress candidate, and at that point in time his visa was cancelled. And Mamata Banerjee says that when BJP intervened at that point in time and cancelled his visa, then why should the same not be done for the Prime Minister? So Mamata, going out with all guns blazing against the Prime Minister, against the BJP, and this at a time when the audio clipping has come out of Mamata Banerjee and another audio clipping that's come out from the BJP's end. So the war of words between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress continues, but again, it's not just limited to West Bengal now, but it's also across the borders as well. Back to you, Sneha.
All right, Prema, thanks for getting us those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.